Hi, I'm so happy you joined my channel today. Today, we're going to do something like, what do you do when you have a paint pour, let's say, that you did, and you don't like it? It's not that bad, right? Not bad, but just isn't something appealing that I want to look at, you know? So, what I'm going to do is take it up a level, and I'll show you how that's done. And I'm going to go ahead. I have one of them sticks that you're supposed to be able to hold it up so that you can uh, put your face on the video too, because it's hard to get it to this over top and working, and then also if they want to see your face. So, hi, here's my face. This is what I look like. And we're going to go ahead and lower the camera. Done what old YouTube said to do. Show your face. Okay, so that's the ugly canvas that I'm not so crazy about. What I'm thinking about doing, since I'm crazy for butterflies or dragons, I think I'll do a butterfly actually. I'm going to tape it off so that it becomes its own frame. This part will be a frame. And then inside, I am going to have a butterfly from these colors. It's going to look really cool. It's going to look like the butterfly is landing into a frame or on a frame. I'll either do a dragonfly or a butterfly, one of the two. You're going to be with us, so it's only a second for you, but for me, I have to think on it just a bit. But let's go ahead and set it down and bring you down with it. This is the main reason, is that way you guys can see things better. It's right almost on top of the canvas, so that should be giving you all really good views. So what you want to do is think about, oh yeah, I'm on. Think about, listen to me. No, get out your blue painter's tape, and what you're going to do is you're going to tape off the, let's see, probably right about there, and you're going to tape off what is going to be your frame for the butterfly. Okay, I'm just going by eyesight, so I'm hoping I'm okay there. I mean, I'm not measuring, I'm just doing it by sight, basically. Alright, one more side. Now, let's see how that looks. Okay, yeah, that looks fine. Little. It's gonna be it's right, this is a very small canvas. I think, what is it, a 6x6 or something like that. And I had it, and just, it's been sitting, looking, and I've looked at it, thinking, I just don't like it. So, we're gonna correct that. So when we peel this off, this one actually is crooked. That can't happen. That looks silly. So let me get it on right. There. Okay. Now we're good. Next is putting the butterfly or dragonfly. I'm going to look through all my little stencils and stuff and find something perfect for this. I mean, it's pretty colors. It just needed something else. Needs something else. So out comes all of my stencils and drawings, and see what I want to do. So I'll put you on pause for this. Okay, I found something. This little bird that I did a long time ago. Isn't he cute? I think he'd be great on here. And a little stick or something for him, and little feet and everything. That will look really, really good. Okay, well, with that, then we need to get to transferring it to this little, area here. I'm trying to think how I want to do it. Be nice if it was frisket paper. I might do frisket. Let me, just a second. Okay, we have now entered into using frisket paper. That is by AB Creative. Want to give her credit for that. And what we're going to do now is use that frisket paper. And I copied the image of the little bird onto the frisket paper. And what we're going to do is cut it out. Fussy cut, they call it. Okay, so I'm going to bring you back down. Someone complained that they never see me. They only see my hand. So I'm trying to accommodate everybody. Here's my face. Okay, now that little stencil, all I did was trace it. Simple. Then I'm going to cut it out. The only hard part about frisket is trying to get it to separate from its backing. It can be a little bit tricky and get you a little frustrated in the beginning, but don't give up. The frisket paper is really worth it. It doesn't have a high glue that will stick to your canvas and, kind of ruin your project. It doesn't have that. It has very low adhesive, but it does stick. And fussy cutting is not one of my favorite things to do, but for this project, it just had to be done. So, fussy cut it around. If I knew I could speed up the video, I would. But I still have not mastered that. If I try to speed up a section, it speeds up the entire video. Then you hear my voice. You can't even hear me. So, if anybody has a really great editor to edit your videos, please let me know what app that would be. That would be so nice of you if you happen to have that information, because I'm using it says photo editor off of my camera on the phone, so I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but I'm doing something wrong. Okay, well, we've got it to here. Now this is the tricky part, is finding that. What I found out the last time is if I kind of scriggled it around, like squished it, like kind of squishing the corner. There you go. And that works if you just squish it. See how I did that? And then boom, there's your image coming off. Very nice. Okay. Now where we want him was right there. Okay. Now he's down, and I can't even barely see it down. Wow, that just disappeared, didn't it? Okay, wow, how interesting. I wonder, oh, I see, I can get it right here. Ah, good, okay. I wished I could see it a little better, but yeah. All right, let me figure this out. Hold on. Okay, I figured out. It's down, and it's gonna block off the color, and I can pull it off by that little piece I put by the painter's tape. Anyway, I'll be able to lift it up from there. So what I'm just not going to worry about it. Oh, I wanted to use a different white. A different, one of the more metallic-y whites, maybe. Yeah, this one. This one works good, I think. Yeah. Okay, So we're just gonna working to drop some, well, we need a heavier pigment than that. Huh, okay, well, that ain't gonna work. Let's see here, what should I do? Let's put that out. Hold on. I got a different white. Because the other one was way too thin. And this is going to take a couple of coats. Because that background was so red and is so red and green. Okay. Remembering that that's where I can pull it off. And when I pull it out, see, this white will be there. And it'll be dry. And then when I pull off our frisket bird, the original color of the painting prior will be appearing. And like I said, this may take another coat because it needs to be very white. I don't want any bubbles and things like that. That's because of probably because of the fact that this paint pour was done with silicone. Maybe that's why I'm getting little dots everywhere. Excuse me. And a sniff. A cough and a sniff. Don't get old, guys. No fun. Stay young. Enjoy your young time. There, I'm just filling in these little pockets that keep coming up. So I think what I'm going to do is just let it dry. And when it's dry, I'm going to put another coat, and then I'll be back to let you see what dry and me peeling off, and you can see the bird and everything that I laid on here. Okay, for that I got to pause you because it's going to take some time. For those of you who want to see who I am and that requested that I showed you my face, here I am. A lot of my videos, though, are going to just be my hands. But I thought I would please you, my subscriber that asked to see my face instead of just my hands. I went ahead and did that. Okay, so hi. But I'm not going to guarantee every time because usually I like to just get up and start working and not do all the face and all that kind of stuff, right? But I did it for you because you do want to do some face. So you got my face, hi, and bye, back down. And here's our progress, which isn't a lot. It is drying, but it is drying with little, looks like some cellular stuff has gotten into my paint. So I'm going to go straight from the tube this time. And we will finish this painting. I got to thinking about the original color of the canvas, and the canvas of the paint pour that we're covering up, kind of. And I got to thinking there was a lot of Christmas colors, so why not come in with some yellow? It doesn't have to, I don't know why I'm thinking it has to be white. It don't have to be white. The background is going to be flattering, I think. Now the bird will be colored the original color of the canvas, naturally. I just got a little bit of this yellow left here. And it's acrylic paint, if anybody was curious about that. And I'm hoping I have enough yellow. I have no idea where the bird is. I know where the tail is, where I'm going to peel him off. I guess it's a him. It's a him bird. And I'm just trying to make this as smooth as I can. Okay, that's looking good. Looks a lot better than that white was looking. All right. I think I've got a good layer on there. We're going to let that dry. And hopefully I don't need a second application of it. I'm going to use a blow dryer. Okay, the fun part. This is dry. Yeah, this is dry. You have to be very careful. Okay, now, that little end, I made a mark so that I could come and find that frisket paper. So that's what I'm doing here. Just seeing if I can get that little lip again. I thought it was right there. Oh, I can't find it now. Where did I put that? Where was it? Well. I can't believe it. I can't find it now. Okay. Well, you know what we will do, though? We're going to go ahead and take off the tape. That should bring out our image. I can't remember where. I thought I marked it so that I could just pull it off, but apparently didn't do that. Let's see here. We can get some off. There we go. Oh, I was wondering what this yellow is going to be like. It's yellow. Now we better get our bird. I'm not sure I like that yellow. I might come back and do it. Different color, maybe. Oh, okay. I came across finally the end that had the frisket paper. Right there. As you see, it lifted up there. Rutler. So, let's see how it does. When I gently gently try to take it off. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, there we go. Oh, okay. I'm liking the yellow now. Because, you know, I'm going to come in with the bird a little bit and give it an eye and a beak. And a stick to sit on and some legs. Isn't that beautiful? I really have to be proud of myself on that. That's pretty. I wasn't sure excuse me, if I was going to find that frisket paper because it was buried in. All right, well, there you go. Cute, cute. So let's add us an eyeball. And I don't even know what I want. What do I need? I need a brush. A brush to make a cute little eyeball. Let's see. Let's try this one. And I think his eye should be purple. Yeah. It'll stand out nice, I think. Yeah, that's pretty. Pretty. Okay, so we got that. I've got so many paints out. Watercolor paints and acrylic paints, and got 1,000 things going on around me. Okay, now we want some legs. So I was thinking, let's see, first though it needs a slight line. So that the beak is there. There we go. Comes out a little bit better there. All I'm doing is doing just a little light highlighting. Something like that. That'll work. There we go. There we go, because the beak and part of the tail is popping out here, right? Yeah. So now I'm wanting some kind of a color for his, I keep getting my hair in the way. I'm used to it in a bun. Okay. Just gonna make some legs here. Or there. I don't know what I'm doing here. There. Okay, and I wanted to add just a little bit on the beak. On the beak, on the beak. Okay, what else? Oh, I was gonna put a piece of cool looking wood. I got some cute little pieces like that. That one might be a little big. Actually, I think I like this other size better. Let's try it. Yeah, it's a little smaller. This one's a little big. There. And our little bird, I'll glue that down, will have its place on this cute little branch. Yeah, that'll work out really good. All right, let's get our E6000 out. There, it's from the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree. Okay, I think I got it. Just like that. Boom. Boom. I hope you like this video. The person that, I'm not even going to say your name, that said you don't show your face ever. So I hope you're happy. I showed it a couple of times, even in a different video. So there's 2 with my face in it. I hope that makes you happy. This has made me really happy. In fact, I think I'm going to come in with a little darker color for the legs, because his legs look like they disappeared. Let me see if I can get a little color on my brush. There we go. And go like that. Kind of give the illusion it's landing on there, maybe. There. Okay, I'm liking that. Kind of indicating his wing there. And I think I want a little bit of this pretty yellow for the beak again. There, okay. Yeah, I like that a lot better. Sorta. I'm being positive, but not really liking it. Let me get a... There. I like that. Isn't that better? Indication of, there, like that. There, okay. Okay, and I see I need to come in with some yellow right under that wing because it did not show very well. There you go. There you go, big guy. Pretty, right? Just doing a little bit of a funky shadow. Boom. Probably shouldn't have done that, looks like. There we go. Okay, I'm going to stop because apparently if I go much farther, I'm going to hit black or something weird. was going to stop, but I need just a little bit more. There. Okay, good enough. Good enough. I love it. Yep, stuck on there good. Really cute. Okay, love to hear what you think about it. Is it cute to you? I don't know. I don't know. Let me turn him this away. See there? Pretty, pretty. I hope you think it's pretty.